Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacup Tarot. On a very popular request, I am doing once again messages from Archangel Michael. Clearly, Archangel Michael is an absolute favorite, and I'm absolutely happy to be doing this video once again because Archangel Michael is my favorite angel as well. Having said that, you have three piles in front of you. Please pick whichever pile that speaks to you, and of course, if you're called to listening to more than one pile, feel free to do that. Yeah, I'll give you some time and then I'll start with pile 1. Hello, and if you selected pile 1, these are the messages that are coming for you from Archangel Michael. Now, first of all, for you, pile 1, Archangel Michael is trying to tell you to pay more attention to your subconscious, the messages that come to you when you're least expecting it. Okay, now this could include dreams. Now, the dreams can be daydreams as well as dreams that you actually get at night, because those are like a window to your soul. Okay, now that is the very first message that is coming forth for you. Once again, Archangel Michael is also telling you to be very mindful of your emotions. You need to witness the emotions that come up in your body, witness the emotions that come up in your mind, and write about it. Okay, really write about it, because I believe in writing down your emotions, you'll realize what really happens in your mind. Okay, realizing certain things are absolutely important for you, and that is what Archangel Michael is trying to tell you. Yeah. Also, Archangel Michael is trying to tell you that right now it is better for you to accept whatever situation is in front of you rather than fighting it. See, sometimes what happens is when a situation is in front of us, we are like, we want to emerge the winner. We want to be the best person. We want to emerge victorious. But right now, it is just not worth it. Whatever is coming in front of you, deal with it in the best way possible. Accept that certain people are the way they are because of their previous karmas. Yeah, it sometimes, what happens to us or the way people behave with us is nothing to do with us. It just is about their karmas, the way their soul is really born with. Okay, that's something that's coming through for you. So don't fight other people, don't fight circumstances, situations. Right now, just go with the flow, and remember, there is a higher power which is taking care of everything. Yeah, your job is just to believe in that higher power. Say whatever it is that you have to say to that higher power, and then just let go. Let go. Everything that is on your mind is going to resolve when the time is right. Have faith and surrender. Yeah, surrender to the power of God is what is coming through. Also, Archangel Michael is telling you that as you move forward, you are coming into a lot of wealth. You are coming into a lot of money. Okay, so materially, Archangel Michael is telling you that you're absolutely taken care of. So if you have any worries around money, essentially he's here to tell you, don't worry. Okay, he is around you. In fact, any money related blocks, if you have them, he is helping you resolve them in order for you to really accept the money that is coming into your life through the divine. Okay, see, money is of two kinds. Okay, money that is available as like normal exchange, something that you get because you work for it, and there is another kind of abundance. It is divine abundance which comes to you from God. Okay, his job is to bring you that divine abundance which is everlasting, which is always going to be available for you, and which will never run out. Okay, so he is basically resolving any root chakra issues for you is what is coming forth. Okay, remember, in everything that you do, try to just go with the flow. If something is coming in between, a block or an obstacle, remember to go the other way. Don't fight things right now because it doesn't make sense. Go with the flow. If an obstacle comes, go around it and sail through. Okay, that's the message for you. Go with the flow. Everything is just working out the way it is supposed to. Some things happen, you don't understand why they happen, but that will make sense to you at a later point of time is what is coming through for you. And remember, pile 1, Archangel Michael is trying to tell you that do not be afraid of life's challenges, okay? See, sometimes what happens is, even when our life is normal, it is easy, it is beautiful, we worry that, okay, problems may just be around the corner. Of what if something goes wrong? So, don't get into the mindset, just enjoy what is in front of you today, right at this very moment. Whenever life has to show a challenge for you, in order for you to grow over it, like overpower it and grow, it'll happen for you. But right now is not the time. Except that in your life, challenges will come because Earth is a school. You are not born on planet Earth to live just a life of beauty all the time, an easy life, okay? That's what heaven is for. Yeah, this is Earth, it's a school, so you are going to be learning lessons because you need to emerge into a wiser being, into a stronger being. A being of light is what is coming for you. So don't really worry about it. Your team, your spiritual team is available for you, and they'll help you get over anything and everything. Remember that. Okay, clearly Archangel Michael is here to tell you that stop overthinking. Why don't you just simplify your life? Simplify your thinking, okay? And which is why right at the beginning he was telling you, whatever thoughts are coming, whatever emotions are coming, write it down. You'll realize how much you overthink, okay? So it's basically he trying to tell you how to monitor your thoughts and simplify things. That's what he's trying to tell you. Overthinking will really spoil it. Just go easy right now. See, one thing that is happening for you that Archangel Michael is telling you about is everything that is happening for you is taking you one step closer to that awakening, to that beauty emerging into your life, for you to be more connected with God or the higher power that you believe in. Yeah, see, sometimes you just need to bless the obstacles. Sometimes you need to bless people who come into your life as problems, because they are the ones who bring you closer to God, the higher power. See, there are very few people who will actually pray when everything is beautiful. People only pray when there is a problem in our life. Yeah, so maybe the problems are coming because God wants you to be close to him. So it's very simple, isn't it? Remember God every single day, and there don't have to be so many problems for you. So basically everything that is happening, it is because God wants you to take you close to the process of awakening, and that is a message that Archangel Michael is here to give you. Yeah, remember, you are God's chosen one. That's the message that he's really delivering to you. Now remember something, everything that happens in your life right now especially is happening so that you change as a person. Okay, in a way everything that is happening to kill your ego. Pile 1, the sense I get is you have very strong ego, and it is your ego that needs to be destroyed, because if there is a hindrance to your spiritual path, it is your ego. It is the I, me, myself, I am important, I am everything, that mentality. Remember, you have to be a person of God. You're meant to be like, a worker of God, God's chosen one, and for which your ego needs to be destroyed. So everything that is happening in your life right now is happening so that your ego is destroyed and you truly emerge as a soul who's beautiful, who's clean, okay, really clean of everything. All the dust that you've accumulated throughout this lifetime, you are being cleaned of it. You have a higher mission, Pile 1. That is what Archangel Michael is here to tell you. Remember, you are going to emerge victorious from every circumstance that come your way. For every obstacle that comes your way, you are meant to emerge victorious, because you have the power of God in your life, is something Archangel Michael is telling you. He is helping you every step of the way. He'll remove people who do not belong. He'll add people who belong so that your life becomes easier, is what he's here to tell you. Now, remember something, the sense I get is you're craving for a perfect life. Your job is to create one for yourself. So how are you going to create that heaven on earth for yourself? Firstly, by being at peace with yourself. Then by connecting with the energy of God at all point of time. Remember, there is no heaven without God. Heaven is God's abode, and it is your job, since you want heaven on earth, to create the situation for it, to create the space for it, wherever you are. Remember, heaven can be in your heart, not even a heartbeat away, should you choose to make it for yourself. Remember, your job is to create heaven on earth, and by your consistent practice, by your spiritual practice, you'll be able to do just that. Just be patient with yourself, okay? Everything is happening exactly as it should be. Okay, clearly one thing that is stopping you is your energy field. Your energy field is very, very cluttered. And I really believe it is because of the people around you. You know, in a way, it's like people send their energy towards you because you are a being of light. Right? And that is really happens. So make sure you are saging your space at all point of time. Using Palo Santo if that speaks to you. Or just take a cold water bath if you don't want to do anything else. You can use salt water, rock salt to take a bath with. That can really help you. But keep your energy at all point of time. And let me tell you, more important than anything is grounding and meditating for you. That's crucial at this point of time for you to really reach that next stage of spiritual development. That is what Archangel Michael is here to tell you. And I just feel like he is a very fierce protector in your life, and his presence in your life can absolutely not be denied. Just protect your energy field. That's what I'm here to tell you. As always, I'm going to leave you with nothing but my best wishes and lots of prayers. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 2, these are the messages that Archangel Michael has for you. Now, first of all, Archangel Michael is telling you that as you move forward, you are entering a phase of a very high level of personal growth. You are going to be changing as a person tremendously. A lot of opportunities are going to be available for you that were never there. And you are going to be finally able to enjoy a life that you dreamed of. And this will all happen because of your own hard work. All the blessings that will show up, it is because you did the work and you showed up. Yeah? So just be ready to accept those blessings in your life. Now, Archangel Michael is telling you that because you have so many blessings in your life, you have so many moments of beauty in your life coming in, forgive, move on, that's it. Because what may happen is, in the energy of beauty, in the energy of abundance, if you are still holding a grudge, are you truly living a full life? Are you truly living a free life? And Archangel Michael wants you to live freely. See, he is cutting a lot of cords from your life, but unless you let go of the burdens that you're carrying, it's not going to work out. The work is from within that needs to be done. So if there is anybody in your life that you're still holding a grudge against, forgive that person, release that person, and help him get over his karma. Yeah? Give it to him as a blessing. That's what Archangel Michael is here to tell you. Archangel Michael is also trying to tell you that be very careful about the things that you are attached to. Be very careful about the emotions that you're attached to. So you basically need to ask yourself, what am I so attached to that is actually draining my energy? See, there is something in your life that is really taking your power away. And remember, Archangel Michael is the one who helps release things. So he is here to help you release the obsessions that you have, the belief systems that you have, the attachment that you have. Okay? There are certain knots in your life that you need to open. But opening them are your job. He can cut the cords for you, but releasing is your job. He's also telling you that now as you move forward, you will be able to overcome just about every obstacle that shows up. Yeah? Every obstacle will actually be removed as if by the grace of God, because it actually is. Yeah? Make the intention, go with belief into whatever you are going into next, and remember, a path will be made for you even when there was no path at all. Archangel Michael is telling you that when you are talking, be very careful about what you're saying. Are you talking about other people? Are you gossiping about things? What are you giving your energy to? Speak about things that are really high vibration. Speak about things that are really positive, because your speech is very powerful. You can use your speech in a beautiful manner, or you can use your speech in a harsh manner. Try avoiding the harsh tone in your voice is something that is coming forth. Every person you meet them with kindness, not because they deserve it, because you are different. Yeah? You're a person of God, right? And what is a God-like person meant to do? He's meant to be kind because he exhibits his godliness. He is not a mirror to the other person. You don't want to be a mirror to the other person's low vibration, right? You want to give your vibration. So make your vibration of positivity is what Archangel Michael is here to tell you. Now, Archangel Michael is also reminding you that you're learning a lot. You're clearly learning a lot. Sometimes in terms of actual lessons from books, sometimes from a teacher, but sometimes from life. But are you truly learning what you're supposed to learn? Or are you just learning things one after another? Because that's really not going to work out, The message has to go deep within to your core. Anything else is just surface work. And you pile 2 are required to do work inside out. So you can learn 100 things, you can read 100 books, but if the message doesn't go within, it would just have sufficed if you read 1 book and took it inside. It has to reach within. That's what he is here to remind you. Now, Archangel Michael is telling you that you keep yourself trapped. You keep your freedom under control. Nobody else is controlling you at this point of time. What are your beliefs around what life can give you? Do you believe that life is beautiful and that opportunities will just show up when you want them to? Or do you believe that maybe opportunities may not be available and you may not be able to live a beautiful life? What are your beliefs? Are you free in your mind first? That's something you really need to ask yourself, okay? Because sometimes you block the good in your life, okay? The obstacle is not external, it is within. So release that, okay? And one of them is forgiveness. As you hold the other person hostage, you yourself become hostage, okay? So that's what's happening for you. So release any resentment that you're having. Shed the old skin. It is perfect. It is just perfect. Archangel Michael is telling you, you were a kind of person. You had a life before this. But you're meant to change. Okay? You're meant to change this skin that you're holding on to. There's something that you're holding on to very tightly. Those knots need to be untied. Release that old skin, bless it. Because it served a purpose. And it is time to be raw again. It is time to be vulnerable again and to start again fresh. As a new person, just like a baby. A baby is born with absolutely no preconceived ideas. So that is what you need to go into the world with every single day. Don't hold judgment about anybody. Okay? Remember, your job is to be a godly person. Display godly behavior. That's what Archangel Michael is here to tell you. You're clearly moving out of difficult times, okay? So the difficult times are over. They are out. You're moving into calmer waters. Things will be easy now. Remember, we started with blessings. So blessings will show up in your life now. Be prepared for the good times, okay? Be prepared for the good times. And remember, whatever is happening in your life is very divinely orchestrated. It's a divine plan that you're working on. Yeah, and you have a lot of help in the spiritual realm. Lot of people are working behind the scenes for you to get the life that you're currently living. And I also get the presence of your ancestors coming very strongly. A team of ancestors at that, okay? Not only 1 or 2 out here. There is like a different team when it comes to your spirit guides. Your spirit guides are numerous as well. I'll try and do a reading on your spirit guides also sometime in the future. But there is one group which is spirit guide. One is your masters, okay, the divine masters. And the third one is your ancestors. So clearly there are a lot of people involved here that are helping you out in your journey forward. Now, Archangel Michael is also here to tell you to reflect on your attitude towards money. What are your money beliefs? Do you believe that the universe is abundant? Or do you believe the universe is scarce? Do you save money or you plan for abundance for your future? Okay, ask that for yourself. Remember, whenever you sit with money, Tell yourself that money is abundantly present in my life. Even if you just have $10. See, that $10 can become $1,000,000 if God wills it to happen. Believe in the will of God. Plan for abundance. You are a child of God. Okay? So when a child asks his father, his mother that I need money, do you really think the mother is or father is going to say no? They're going to be like, yes, it is yours to take. If you use it rightly, of course. Yeah, that's important for you. So think about abundance in your life and not just so much as scarcity, as not having anything. So plan of your abundance, even though that abundance may not be present in your life right now. Yeah. And also, Archangel Michael is here to tell you that be real, be true to yourself. Sometimes you yourself tell yourself stories. Yeah. Stories about how you are not capable. Stories about how your life is not as good as it should be. Everything is in your own control. Are you holding the steering wheel of your life, or you feel like something else is? If you believe God is holding it, it's great. But remember, God will always steer you to the path that you're supposed to walk on. Okay? So be real here is the message here. How do you truly feel? What kind of universe do you think you live in? What do you think of God? What do you think of money? What do you think about your relationships? What do you think? Write it down. And you'll truly realize what you think about things. Sometimes we do not know it because we don't write it down. And which is why maintaining a journal is so important. In writing, things get really clarified. So write things down, maintain a journal. You need to be real with your own self first before you show your real self to the world. Because there are parts of you that even you are not aware of. You need to bring that out to play, to examine it, review it, and make choices accordingly. That's what Archangel Michael is here to tell you today. As always, I want to wish you the very, very best, Pile 2. You guys are amazing and you can do just about everything that you want to do. Have faith in God. God is there for you all the time. Remember that. He never leaves you. He never will. That is His promise. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected Pile 3, these are the messages that are coming forth for you from Archangel Michael. First of all, Pile 2, Archangel Michael is telling you that it is very, very important for you to start chanting, taking a name of God that you deeply connect with. Okay, because in chanting, a lot of the problems that you're currently facing will be taken care of. Okay, whichever deity you believe in, whichever power you believe in. Yeah, even if to something simple as God, the name of God, just say it. Chanting is going to be very important for you. It will release a lot of things from your life, is what he's here to tell you. Archangel Michael is telling you, do you realize how powerful you are? You are very powerful manifestors. Even sometimes the things that you think about, just randomly you're thinking about something and they actually show up in your life. That is how powerful you are. So use those skills to build a life for yourself that you absolutely desire. Use your God-given power. You're not powerless. So stop thinking about yourself as powerless. Be a conscious creator with spirit instead of just being an observer. Instead of just waiting for things to happen, take action, plan, dream, build a life for yourself. Yeah? He's telling you that you're very resilient, You can probably fall down 10 times and get up at 20 times. Yeah? You have that in you. But once again, there are parts of you that need to be realigned. One of it is lack of belief in your own self. 100%. And not because you as an individual are powerful, but because you're a child of God. You have His strength behind you. Use that strength. Use that belief to create a beautiful life for yourself. So whatever is missing in your faith, make sure you're working on it. Because faith is something you absolutely need for a life that you want to. Pile 3, you are at a very interesting juncture in your life is what he's telling you. He's telling you your life has a blueprint. Clearly, there is a plan for everybody. But there is still free will. You're given your free will. You can use your free will. So use it for your good. Use it for your dreams. Use it for your future. Yeah? Remember, you have a purpose in this lifetime, and going with the flow will not work at all point of time for you. Act as if you have a purpose. Even if you may not know your ultimate life purpose, find the purpose that is in front of you. One thing, one goal, work at it. It's action that you need to take at this point of time. Yeah? No going with the flow for you. And Archangel Michael is also trying to tell you that make time for fun. Make time for friends, make time for family. Yeah? Don't work all the time. Don't be so busy all the time. Don't be overthinking all the time. Enjoy life too. You've been given this life to have fun, to celebrate every moment, to celebrate life. So celebrate little things, If you feel like you're waking up and it's a beautiful day, be happy about it. Smile, okay? Radiate that joy from within. Experiencing joy is also very important for you, to allow yourself to experience that joy. Yeah? And one thing that's coming forth is, if you're trying to control another person, if you're trying to control another person's relationship with another person, quit, let it go. People are not going to work according to your control. The only person who's allowed to hold strings is God. Alright? It's not up to you. You cannot control anything. We are not that powerful. Yeah? We can obviously decide what we want to do. We have been given free will for that. But we are not given free will to really interfere in another person's life. So be very careful about that. Okay? That's one thing that he's here to tell you. Archangel Michael is also here to tell you that certain changes need to come in your own personality. Yeah? See, if you make them on your own, it's going to be great. Otherwise, certain circumstances will be created where you will be forced to make the changes. Yeah? So ask yourself, what is it within me that needs to change, and get down to changing it. Be conscious creators, exactly his point once again. Be conscious creators. Be constant game changers for yourself is also coming through. Now, one more thing that is coming forth for you is inner child issues. Okay? Have you not healed yet? Is there some part of you that is still wounded? And maybe it is that wounded part that wants to control everything. Control situations, control people. Yeah? So you need to really heal the power within. That inner child within. So give yourself compassion. Give compassion to the child who deserves that compassion, okay? And address your innermost feelings. Innermost feelings need your attention. There is a lot of shadow work that you need to do, pile 3. Yeah? Lot of shadow work that needs to be done. Do that. Take your inner child on a date. Really. Sit with yourself one day and try and connect with yourself. If you have a picture of yourself as a child, look at that picture and ask that child, what do you want to say to me? Trust me, the child will answer, because you know the answer. But maybe looking into the child's eyes, you'll really know what that child has to say today to you. And help that child heal. Give that child a hug. Hug that photograph. And then become the parent that child needed. Send that child love. Send that child healing. Yeah? So that your future self, the one right now in your life, the adult self, can feel better too. And that self can finally heal. Your healing is your own hands, is in your own hands. Archangel Michael is here to tell you that you are meant to learn from a great teacher. Yeah? There is a presence of a teacher in your life. You may not have seen this person, but this person's energy is with you all the time. You already have that person in your life, okay? You just need to make sure that you're accessing that knowledge, right? See, sometimes this can come in the form of an ascended master too, okay? An ascended master helping you behind the scenes. We don't meet every spiritual teacher in person. Yeah, remember that. We don't. Sometimes they help us from the other realm. Sometimes, of course, we can have a physical teacher, but for you, the teacher is not going to come in front of you. You're just going to get healing from them. You're going to get messages from them. You are going to get the advice that you need from them when you need it, exactly at that point of time. Yeah, but you have met the spiritual teacher that you seek in this lifetime is a message for you. Now, okay, of course, there are certain issues that you still need to work on, and one of them is anxiety. Troubling yourself even when there is no need to for you to trouble yourself, okay? These are certain inner issues, okay? Like I already told you, there are certain changes that need to be made inside out. Yeah? So please work on it, okay? Shadow work is absolutely needed for you, pile 3. Yeah? Absolutely needed. But one thing that you have to understand is the path that you're walking on, it is the right path for you, whatever you're doing at this point of time. So keep going in that direction. And remember to always do the right thing. Make the right choice, not the easy choice. Yeah? Something that is right, okay? And something that is right will always feel right. You don't have to ask about it 100 times. You'll just know about it. Yeah? That's what's coming through. And also, Archangel Michael is here to tell you that in every situation that you come across, you have an opportunity to grow. So especially when a circumstance comes in front of you that is very challenging, ask yourself, what am I learning from this situation? What is this moment here to teach me? And learn from it. Yeah? We are meant to learn from life. You especially are meant to learn from life. So every person who comes in front of you as a teacher, appreciate them. Yeah, appreciate their kindness, even though sometimes the lessons may be harsh. But in that harshness lies your greatest prize. Yeah, appreciate every situation and take it as an opportunity to grow. And remember, in everything that happens, accept it with love and give love. Remain at the energy of love at all point of time. Vibrate with love in every essence of your body. That is very important for you at this point of time. To become love, to receive love, to give love. The vibration of love is what you need to tap into at this point of time. That is what Archangel Michael is here to tell you. As always, as I wrap this video up, I want to leave you with nothing but my best wishes for your future. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.